Hi, hello, namaste everyone. I'm Vinay Gujjar, your maths educator from Gujjar Tutorials. In this class, we are going to study the introduction to trigonometry exercise number 8.3, last three sub questions. So, what is the question here? Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square equal to 7 tan square A plus cot square. Sir, if a trigonometry proof question is came means we need to see some methods. Already algebraic formula exists here. A plus B whole square. We are applying that it, okay? So A square plus B square plus 2 A. Understood? Plus again A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2 A. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ A plus B whole square. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? Then here sin is there, cosec is there. I need answer as a 7 na. But 7 ಐತಿ ಅಂತ 7 ಬರಲಿ ಥಾಲಾ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಥಾಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಥಾಲಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬೇಡ. 7 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ 7 ನ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? sin square is there sir. I need 7 answer. 7 ಬೇಕು. sin square ಇದೆ, cos square ಇದೆ. We know the identity sin square plus cos square. 1 ಬಂತು, still 6 I need. Okay. Then 2 sin will write as it is remaining. Cosec square A plus 2 into sin A. So cosec can be written as 1 by sin sir. ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಸರ್, ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಈಸಿ ಇರೋದು ಹೇಳಿ, ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಈಸಿ ಐತಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಟು cos square remaining sec square plus 2 into cos A into sec ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ 1 by cos. Understood? sin cos cancel. Sir 1 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into 1 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? 1 plus 2 plus 2 5 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಆಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡು. Plus remaining will be cosec square is there, sec square is there. First we'll write one time cosec square A plus sec square. While solving in an exam you can skip this step, okay? Direct type ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 5 plus sir cosec square sec square is there, but I need tan. cosec ಇಂದ ಅಥವಾ sec ಇಂದ tan ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Identity CCST cosec square minus cot square equal to 1. We know the identity cosec square minus cot square equal to 1. One more ST means sec square minus tan square equal to 1. In place of cosec square, if I said cot here, 1 plus cot square alone. So we will write 1 plus cot square. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? Plus sec square, if I send minus tan here, it will be plus tan. 1 plus tan square means sec square. In place of sec square, 1 plus tan square. Sir, ಮುಗಿದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಪಟ್ಟ ಬಂತ. 5 plus 1 plus 1 7. ಥಾಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್. ಮತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಡ್ 7 ಟಿ ಇರೋದು tan square ಇರೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಥಾಲಾ ಬರ್ಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. tan square A plus cot square A ಅಂತ ಬರೆ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? And the next question start. In this question, cosec A minus sin A into bracket sec A minus cos A, we need to prove it as a 1 by tan A plus cot A. Something hint they give. See here, simplify LHS and RHS means we need to simplify LHS. Something answer will be there. Then again we need to solve RHS. Then the answer will become, both the answers are same. They are same. Okay. So we will see here. We'll see the reciprocals only. Cosec is there, sin is there. We will start with the reciprocal. cosec is there, so we can write it as a 1 by sin A. Minus sin is there, we are writing sin A as it is. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. Then sec A is there, so we are writing it as a 1 by cos A minus cos A. ಸರ್ ಸುಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ನನಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ ಸುಮ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ ಕೊಸೆಕ್ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕ್ನ 1 by cos ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ ಸುಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾಡಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. We know some methods here. We need to say reciprocal identity like that, okay? No identities are holds good here. No, and no algebraic formulas are also holds good. If I see the question, we'll come to know. Because a square, b square, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole cube is a plus b, a minus b. No algebraic formulas are there. And nothing is there in a square. So no trigonometric identities are holds good. Then we need to go for reciprocal. I told that if I need to take a reciprocal means at least the same I need that side. 1 by sin means sin. If I take sin and cos combination, we will get a tan and cot. For that reason, we took a reciprocal. Artha aitu. Then, sir, you took here sin, cosec as a sin, but sin you wrote a sin as it is x. LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ cos ಅಥವಾ tan ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ sin ನ cosec ಅಂತ ಬರೋದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇವೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. Then, so it will be like 1. Sin and 1, what's the LCM here? Sin will be LCM. So we need to multiply sin here. 1 minus sin into sin square. 1 minus sin square into, again nothing is there, 1. So cos is a LCM, we need to multiply cos here. 1 minus cos square. Artha aitu. Then 1 minus sin square sara sin nodre ಲೆಕ್ಕ sara cos square divided by sin into 1 minus cos square ಚಾಯ ಮಾಸ್ತರ ಎಷ್ಟತಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ sin square divided by cos A. Cos A sin A cancels. Remaining will be cos A into sin. This is about the LHS. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. We are solving RHS now. In RHS also I need same answer. Okay. So again we are going for a reciprocal only. Tan means we are writing it as a sin by cos. Sin A by cos A plus cot means a cos A by sin. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ sin ನ tan ನ sin by cos A ತಗೊಂಡೆ. Why we didn't took 1 by cot? I think you know that one. Okay. Then ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೇನು ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? LCM ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? cos A into sin. So sin is not there, we are multiplying sin here. Cos is not there, we are multiplying cos here. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. So sin square A plus cos square A whole ಮೇಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. So I know that in the denominator, if anything in the fraction, we are taking for a numerator by reciprocaling it. If I take for numerator, it will be cos A into sin A divided by sin square plus cos square. Sir, assign ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತೀರಿ, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ 1 that equals cos A into sin A. Cos A equal to sin A. Cos A equal to sin A. Mugit answer. Mugit. Understood? And the next question is, in this question, sir, 2 time equal ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ sir. I need to prove 1 plus a tan square A divided by 1 plus cos square A as a tan square. Again we are taking this one. Again we are putting this one. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. Okay sir, ಯಾಕೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಲಗು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ. Sir, square is there. Means any identities are there. We will see the identity. CCST means cosec square minus cot square equal to 1. One more is a sec square minus tan square equal to 1. 1 plus tan square is there. So if I send minus tan here, it will be plus tan. 1 plus tan square means we are writing it as a sec square. We are writing it as a sec square t divided 1 plus cot square. If I send cot square here, 1 plus cot square, that is equal to cosec square. that is equal to cosec square a. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್? ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ sec means 1 by cos square a ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ cosec means ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಸರ್ sin square a. One more thing, if anything is in a denominator with a fraction, we are taking that for a numerator by reciprocaling it. So 1 divided by cos square a into sin square a divided by 1. 1 into sin square, cos square into 1, cos square. Sin square by cos square. ಮುಗಿತು ಹೋಗಿ ಹೊಡಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು tan square. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? We got this as a tan square. So we'll write it as equation number 1. Then we are taking second part. 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square. Sir, it is square ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ದ a minus b ಇದು ಏನೋ ಸೆಟ್ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ. So we are going for reciprocal only. 1 minus tan ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಠ ಮುಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. cos divided by 1 minus cot means cos a divided by sin. Understood? Sir, nothing is there. 1 we are multiplying cos here. Nothing is there. 1 we are multiplying sin here. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ಹಾ. Then cos into 1 will be cos a minus sin a whole square ಇದೆ ಪಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮರಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ whole square ನ divided by cos a whole divided by sin a minus cos a whole divided by sin a whole square. Any doubt in this one? Any doubt? Yes sir. See here cos a minus sin a. Here sin a minus cos same ಇದೆ ಸರ್. sin cos ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ sin is cos is there, minus cos is there. minus sin is there, plus sin is there. ಮೈನಸ್ ನ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಟ ಆಡೋ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ. So minus will take it as a common here. If I take minus as a common, plus cos will become minus cos. I took minus as a common, so minus sign will become plus sign. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? divided by cos as it is. Whole divided by same thing. Copy paste sin a minus cos a divided by sin whole square. ಸರ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ? ನನಗೆ tan ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ sin a minus cos a, sin a minus cos a, sin ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, sin ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, cos ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, cos ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೇನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ minus 1 divided by cos a divided by 1 by sin a whole square. ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಐತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಗೆ minus 1 by cos a into sin a divided by 1 whole square. 1 into sin by cos tan minus tan a whole square. We know that if a minus sign is a even number, then the minus will convert into plus. Even number is a power, so that is equal to tan square. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? This completes our important chapter, that is introduction to trigonometry. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತಾರ. ಆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಾನು ಈಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡೋ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನಂದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸನ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶೇರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದರೆ ಅಪ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ CBSE ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನೀವು ಇದೇ ಥರ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತ ವಿಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. with a new chapter, with a new Josh. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.